things. Where are my peoples? I have something for tell you no. I'm waiting. First, me I go live, you know, me I go live for Uno tonight. Me have my Bible. Me I go live for Uno tonight. But there me I wait. So listen, me I go live for Uno tonight. Me I go build a thing, build a spliff, and all a reason with you know. So me I wait for Uno login, alright? Hey baby, Siobhan, hi. Sure, no problem. This is in my little office. It's kind of chucky right now. But this is my little office. It was bigger than this. Yeah. Oh, this thing is kind of fun. Hi, Karen, Janet, Lynch, Stephanie, Campbell, big up yourself. My hair I washed my hair, try to do my hair myself, you know. About to go to my bed, but I say my first time I gotta go live, and I know. Hi. What is going on, people? I want to know what going on. I go build a spliff and come back, come talk to you. Real talk, you know. May I tell you, no. I go build a spliff and come back, come vibes, you know. I not lie. I feel like talk to you tonight. Alright, so I'm going to finish. I'll build a spliff. I want everybody log in. I have something to tell you now. Because this and more than I have my Bible. I have some things to talk about you people. A blood clot foreign. You're too bad. I have something to talk about you know. You want me to talk right now, Stephanie? Ain't easy now. Me not talk about them. Me talk about people who live a foreign and have the audacity and have time to go buy champagne, so much champagne, you know, keep some fucker like that for talk about. But anyway, I wanna have family there at Jamaica beg no $100 and $200 on no blood clots in it, but to now go put champagne for one foolishness like that. That makes sense. And I talk about beer, I'm telling you, go beat it with my Bible. Love you too. Oh my god, and I think I look a hot mess. Why y'all telling me that I'm beautiful? Oh my god. But anyways, I just think it was unnecessary for all of them things there. I think it was so unnecessary. I'm waiting on everybody to forward. May I answer everybody question. Want to take it easy for me. Want to slow it down and type too fast. What mix up you want to find out now? Yo, you don't say so the live thing and nice. Whoa. Oi. Mix up time. Them say me not for talk per social media, but I started this shit. And ain't nobody gonna tell me to stop. I have my talent that speak for itself, but I'm not gonna stop speaking my mind. Thank you, Shani. Tell them again. Come look good. Watch ya. Be a booty, a ground, be a something. Give some freestyle. If you're rich and make it in a life, everybody want for that round you. But when you're broke, nobody no know you. Still look out for people, the blessing will come one day. Nobody watch how much them owe you. If you follow people, you're not gonna ever reach nowhere. Do what make you happy, no listen what them a say. Same out say yes, say no, no make them stop your flow. Tell them chuck off, cause do all of them for go. That me say. Tan chang on your foot. What's a woman then? When you tan chang, no make nobody beat you down. I have a little Ajay breezy. No, a little feel sorry for them, but gone, you know. What no one talk about? Listen, really and truly, I think this thing a bullshit. Really and truly, the whole Obia thing, and I don't like them something there. Reason being, when I get serious and say, yo, me I come live with this shit is because I don't think we have to mix God and Obia in a one conversation. So when time you play with my father, my papa, I get involved. We need to stop the foolishness and a big old crocodile, big foot, tough back people. We need to stop it and go find something productive to do. When you have Jamaica, the whole way of Jamaican, look on American them. You see how them cherish slavery days? You see how them keep up them one another when they don't like them one another, then come out and then come and cheer on each other. We have a whole heap of kids in Jamaica who need help. We have a whole heap of sufferers down here. We need to help them more than when they on social media with no foolishness and not compare God and Obia in a one. No move no little cloth from you so no foolishness. But you don't want to get mad and bad and talk some things now, because I can't get real naughty now. I start being myself, you know, I be a nice girl, because I have so much personality, I can't get stuff there. But I don't stop. I joke, but being myself. I'm going to fuck with me, I'm going to watch the views that will come up. No. You know how much bill me try build that person and then put themselves down to a level. I can't go this a bubble love. So thanks, Rock. Big up on yourself. Any questions for me? I just feel like go live tonight. I answer any questions. I'm home. I was doing some work, so I'm kind of like dirty. But I don't really give a care, dams. You see that? I'm like a little bit to smudge right there and thing. I was like cleaning the whole house because I'm afraid that people clean my house. This is my experience. I've been there. Afraid of people, you know. Hey, y'all. How are you guys? You know why you ain't married yet? Marriage, I don't want to marry yet. I want somebody will go appreciate me and value me and value when I have value each other. I don't know, you know. I smoke weed, yeah. Nothing for hide. No, Ajay, you go and buy your business. I'm done with you. No, Samantha. You know, it's a really and truly that a for them business. When I say what go on since night, and not even somebody just me there and a whole a vibe and thing, and somebody just link me and say, yo, Ray, a fight and this and that and all type of things. Thank you. But it will, I think it is stupid. That was uncalled, that ceremony, whatever them have right there. So it was dumb. Why them would want to have champagne and all of these things and slung in a restaurant and people come and eat and have fun? Yeah, when I come there so with no foolishness and then a fight. Two big old fatty, them are big old people, you know. I'm 26 years old. I just turned 26 February 2nd. February 2nd, my band, Bob Marley month. Aquarian, them can't stop me. Can't stop me. So I said, come marry me. Real reason why I come on tonight. Real reason why I come on tonight. I'm going to be real with you because I'm telling somebody who I'm going to spliff and talk to you, you know. Real reason why I come on tonight is that only people want to stop with the foolishness. I know it's kind of entertaining and all of that, but some of the things them I want to not support. You see,